Welcome to my review of Elastic Email. In today's video, I'll be taking you through my personal experience with this email marketing platform. Elastic Email is known for providing a range of services, including email delivery, automation, and detailed analytics. After using it for a while, I'll share my honest feedback and whether it lives up to the hype. First, let's talk about the sign-up process. It's pretty straightforward, and after logging in, you'll be taken to a user-friendly dashboard. The interface is clean, but it does have a bit of a learning curve for beginners. If you're new to email marketing, it might take you a few tries to get comfortable with all the options and features Elastic Email offers. However, once you get the hang of it, navigating through campaigns and settings becomes much easier. One of the key features of Elastic Email is its email automation. This is where the platform shines. You can set up automated workflows for your email campaigns, which helps you save time and engage with your audience on a more personal level. The options for segmenting your list and targeting specific groups based on their actions is also a huge plus. However, I did notice that the reporting feature could be a bit more intuitive. While it provides a lot of data, the way it's presented could use some improvement. The pricing is one of Elastic Email's standout features. Compared to many other email marketing platforms, it's relatively affordable, especially for businesses just starting out. They offer a pay-as-you-go option, which can be great for smaller businesses that don't have a huge email list. However, if your list grows significantly, you may need to switch to a higher-tier plan, which can get a bit more expensive. Customer support is another area where Elastic Email could improve. While they offer 24/7 support via email, response times can sometimes be slow. I've had to wait a while for a response on a few occasions, which can be frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of a campaign. That said, the knowledge base and help articles are useful and can answer most of your questions. Now, if you're not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts, I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Overall, Elastic Email is a solid choice for businesses looking for a comprehensive email marketing solution that won't break the bank. Its ease of use, automation features, and affordability make it a good option for both beginners and experienced marketers. However, if you're looking for top-tier customer support or advanced reporting tools, you might want to consider other platforms. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more reviews on email marketing platforms and other business tools. Thanks for watching.